Hey everyone, I hope you guys are okay. I haven't provided much of an update this week in terms of Habit Pixel, but I've been trying to work on it during the week, and I've got a bunch of features which I'm ready to ship. It's gonna go out probably tomorrow, but I wanted to walk you through what I've changed for the app. For those of you who are following me on the social media platforms, you will know that I implemented a walkthrough onboarding within the app, which will now give you, an overview of how to use the app when you first get into it. This has been a much requested feature, so very happy to ship this out. I've also made a couple of improvements around the ad habit form itself. You will see that we have the walkthrough for this one as well. But one of the things I've changed is the background color of the inputs. Previously they were gray, but I felt like they gave the idea that the inputs were disabled. So now they are transparent white. And I think it aligns much better with conventional UI UX patterns. So that's one of the things I've changed. Another thing I've changed is to make the add habit button fixed at the bottom. Previously, you had to scroll all the way to the bottom to be able to see that, but now you will see it anytime. And of course, you can still tap on this button here at the top to save your habit. Another touch which I wanted to do was whenever you are typing something, this add button will appear, and it's a bit different color to grab your attention. So you can fill in the form with all the details you want, and then when you reach the bottom, you can just tap on add a habit here. It's gonna save your habit. Of course, if you dismiss the keyboard, you still get the normal add habit button here. Another touch I had to do was if you click on advanced, it scrolls the page down. It was hiding kind of when you were expanding this advanced section because of this fixed button at the bottom of the page, but now it will scroll it. One more item which I added is now whenever you, for example, open any kind of sheet and you use a back button on Android, it's going to dismiss the sheets. This was one of the feedback I got as well from different users who were a bit confused when they were using the back button. When sheets were open, it was completely moving away from the app, like dismissing the app or moving to a completely different screen, but still keeping that sheet open. So now that should be handled in Android. On iOS, we don't have a physical back button, so you will have to use the close button or tapping away to dismiss the sheets. So that's around the usability things. A couple of other items after change are I've optimized a bit the Android widgets to make it more smooth. It was flickering a bit, especially the list widget. I've fixed a couple of bugs there. I've also fixed a bug in terms of synchronization between the widgets and the app. So it used to happen that if your app was not properly backgrounded and you checked in on the widget, it would not update the app. So that's fixed as well. And one of the big changes, big features I've shipped to is under the import-export section, where now you can export your data as a JSON, of course, which is previously what the app allowed you to export as, but you can now export as a single CSV file and also a bunch of CSV files, one for each type of data within the app. So habits, categories, check-ins, and then journal entries. So now you can export all of this as a CSV, import it somewhere else, and just look at your data, and you're not locked into the app and not forced to use JSON anymore. Yeah, so I think that's basically the gist of everything I'm gonna ship as the next version. Let me guys know what you think. It's a lot to cover in a video, but hopefully you followed all the way till the end. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna start working on the next bunch of features for the app. Very excited with regards to what's to come. keep an eye out on social media for the next couple of updates. Thank you. Take care, guys.